Morning guys, Matthew Lippard here again. I got another little how-to video. I've got this little 99 Ford Ranger. Well, I'll have to switch the camera around, but I've got a little 99 Ford Ranger. It's kind of a hoopty. It's kind of beat up and wore out, but it still runs good. And right now, while my wife's car's in the shop, she's driving my van. I get to drive the old truck, and had a tailgate issue with it. So I'm gonna flip this camera around, set up my tripod, and let's fix this little tailgate issue. Before we get started on the truck, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, would you? And that bell icon, that way every time I post new content you get notified and you can check it out. If you know anybody with a Ford Ranger in that 99 time frame, share this video with them. These old Rangers, there's a ton of them out there. They're good, durable trucks, and if they have a Mazda B2000 about the same year, it's the same truck. That Mazda B2000 comes off the Ford assembly line. It's built by Ford for Mazda. So let me turn this camera around and let's get after it. Here's this Ford Ranger. It's really dirty right now. We've had a lot of rain here in Bakersfield, and some of my customers with Kimball Midwest, I have to travel down dirt. Well, now it's mud roads to get to them, so this thing's pretty messy right now. But the problem here is with the tailgate. Let me bend this thing down here a little bit. Let me open this tailgate and I'll show you what I'm looking at. There's no strap there. You got a strap here on this side. There's no strap on that side. Okay, I'm back. I was looking for through my Torx. I couldn't find a T45 Torx. That's what it takes. I have a T40 and a T50, but no T45. So I went to AutoZone. I got this small set right here. It has 5 of them. Yeah, and I got my T45. I'll go ahead and open up this handy dandy package I just got here. Here is my set of 2. This goes on the top end, this goes on the bottom end. Here's what's left of this side. So take my T45, take it in there. Pretty simple process. A little bit harder than I hoped it would be, but that's okay. This just goes in there like that. It goes right in there, that slot. It's a shoulder bolt. This goes in there like that. There you go. Just have to make sure that it goes in. Oops, if I don't drop the dumb thing. This one here, it's a little bit spring loaded, so it's coming out a little bit harder. Just have to play with this one a little bit. had to kind of force it out a little bit. It gets jammed up in there, and hopefully this one goes back in easier. Let's put the bolt in, it helps. Remove this stuff here. You have to close the tailgate a little bit. What I ended up having to do is loosen the other bolt here. Okay, I was having a little bit of a challenge there. This had popped up a little bit. I couldn't get the bolt in. So I loosened the other bolt up just ever so slightly, just enough that I could move that a little bit. The bolt went right in. I did have to raise this because without it being attached, the tailgate would go a little bit lower than what it should. But once I loosened this just a little bit, the bolt went right in. Okay, I got both of them switched out. The passenger side was much easier than the driver's side after I loosened the second bolt up on that latch right away. Made it a lot easier. And you can see how this one was getting kind of old and tattered. It was just a matter of time before this one broke like the driver's side did. Now everything's back to normal. Tailgate shuts, and I got both of my straps on. I think my tailgate is slightly warped because this one is tight, this one is not, but there is no adjustment on it, so I think I'm just dealing with a slightly warped tailgate, which, you know, I mean, it's an old truck and it is what it is. But there's the those tailgate straps on a 1999 Ford Ranger. Again, if you have one of these or you know somebody that does, share this video with them. If they haven't had to change these, they will. They can do this by themselves. Pretty simple project. They don't have to pay somebody else to do it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. I'll reply. I'll answer any questions that I can, and hopefully I can help you do some of this stuff yourself. Until next time, this is Matthew Lippart. I hope you have a great day.